I ain't supposed to do that. So on these Polaris ATVs, they have a little bushing right here that is meant to prevent the handlebars from just being loose. Down under here, there's these two 13mm bolts that hold a little strap in behind, and there's a two-part bushing that clips around the steering shaft, and you can buy them. I 3D printed this set, so I don't know if these will even fit, but I wanted to see if we could maybe remedy that and in part help the steering be a little bit smoother and a little bit nicer on this Polaris. So let's see if we can get that apart and get these slipped in without having to disassemble the entire front of this machine. I think I am going to pull this part out. Let's see here, how does this come out? I think you pick up and then pull forward on this. Yep. Everything feels like it's going to break all the time. That's stuck. Come on. These two bolts right here, and see there's a grease fitting there that has probably never been greased. That could be what caused this bushing to disintegrate, but we won't worry about that. I don't think we're going to be able to slip these in like I had hoped, so let me work on getting a bit more of this machine tore apart. Maybe if we pull just the this part off, we can reach down in through the top. So let's have a look and see, is that also 13s up under here, or are they smaller? Smaller. All right, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, with our little cover thing here removed, got a little bit more space down in here. I think we might actually be able to pull this off without having to disassemble half the machine. Gonna remove this bolt. Maybe I'm gonna remove this bolt. Maybe. There we go. Okay. Slide that little clip. That's meant to hold some wires. Okay, we can get that up out, which means we should be able to squeeze it out of the assembly here. Okay, I've slightly sanded my 3D printed part, so I think now we can probably get this in here and it will probably fit a little better. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta get this the right way around. Flat side goes towards the plate. Still close. All right, let's try that. All right, well, that has eliminated all of the play in our steering stem on this Polaris. So with that being said, if you were to replace these with the purpose-made bushings instead of 3D printing them like I did, you wouldn't have to sand them and have the little snug fitness issues from my 3D printer's calibration problems. But regardless, if you've got a loose steering stem on your Polaris, check out the links in the description as well as the pinned comment to grab one of those replacement bushing sets. If these 3D printed ones don't hold up, that's going to be the route that I'm going to go. So hopefully this was useful to you, and maybe we'll see you out on the trails. Thanks for watching.